over my royal cat's paws, you don't.
I am ruled by a parrot and a granny.
Again. Flirt diplomacy. Captured. I told her this would land here. I'm trying to land. Hey! Helicopter. This time I win. Victory! Cracker for all.
Yes, long live the
I
cat.
am a servant of feathers and granny now.
Cracker for all.
Wait, who is on trial again?
What cat? That sneaky furball right there. What cat?
Audience laughter grows with gasps and giggles. Some people wheeze and wipe tears. Though it the cat.
Got it.
Continue.
Completely and utterly lost.
This doll is stealing my cracker stash.
Not in my court.
Spin, I rule. My chair. Chair now mine. I'm Boss Bird.
This is incredible.
All right, Feather Trio, give it back. Maybe later. Customer.
Who took my banana?
I'm watching you.
That's what you get for stealing royal fruit.
I'm watching you. Compliment. Realistic copy.
Stop messing with confidential files.
Files? I ain't hurt. Give me that spicy taco, human.
No way, Featherball. You'll squawk it all over my stall.
He thinks he pays with seed. Rude.
I have a palate, you know. Street food diplomacy failed. You sabotaged my platform!
You sat on the control lever.
Oh, that's rich. A bird on a window cruise. Send help! Come on, pass out! Stop laughing. Stop.
Witnesses say the parrot cut the line for the swing.
I can't come for third.
You don't push toddlers out of swings, dear.
Do it again.
He snapped my crumph!
Ma'am? Reports say your parrot shoved a duck for extra bread.
You don't bully park ducks, mister!
Order in. Oh, forget it. This is too funny.
Duck diplomacy failed!
I didn't throw feathers. They just fell aggressively.
He molts when he's dramatic, Your Honor.
Order in the...
Trial. I demand a trial by cracker.
I don't think that's in the
It
legal
should be
code.
in my house.
Squawk. Good Lord. Give him the cracker.
Guilty of ignoring my fluffiness.
I can't rule against him. He's adorable and terrifying.
And you, human, did you feed the cat last?
Yes?
Obvious motive, Your Honor.
I think the parrot is winning this case.
Oh my. He's the lawyer we didn't know we needed.
Quack.
Stand down. This is a no-war zone.
They're not listening. Incoming.
Oh, mercy.
Crash, clink, tumble. Feel bad with that.
Loud. I'm a one-woman band. Watch me. 1, 2, hit it.
Monopoly at the trap. This banker is cheating.
I swear I'm fair, Featherbrain.
Liar, hotel on fire. Yeah! Roll them on us, Granny.
Did you see that?
I think I need to...
Oh my, human.
Hey, give him back.
Never. Cookie rain began.
Oh my god.
Like a trigger.
Stay away.
I dig. Soil monster attack.
That was my succulent!
Succulent? More like snacking. Crunchy, crunchy. Victory leap.
Oh, come on.
Wait, what's up? I fix?
No, wait, don't touch.
Too late. Chaos time. Squawk.
No.
Fritter party.
You gotta be kidding me.
The cat challenged me to a race. I accept.
Oh, careful, sweetheart.
You tripped over the stop button. Fastest trial ever.
Oh, dear, I didn't mean
Out
to...
of order. Objection. Squawk.
Whoa, I can't... Oh,
Somebody
man.
put that on the
I want a
record.
rematch tomorrow.
Same treadmills.
The cat bit my grape.
You stole his tuna.
Right? Tuna.
I'm losing it. Gravity guard, throat soup.
Oh, for the record.
Gravity defense approved.
No way. Can't breathe.
Oh, this is gold.
It was self-defense. The cat gave me the evil eye.
That's just his face, dear.
Oh no.
I swear, he looked at me like dinner. I waved cornered. Mercy.
Don't mind him, sweetie.
I demand a retry.
No, he called my feathers ugly.
I warned him. Cat diplomacy is delicate.
I'm officially ruled by Bird and Granny.
Next time, let's try mediation without insults.
This cup is bribing the cat.
Squawk. I am not bribing anyone. I'm just doing my job.
Feathers don't lie. I saw the tuna money. Squawk, squawk.
I feel like I'm in a feathered mafia trial right now.
Oh, I swear on my tail feathers I didn't peck him.
See, he's honest. Sometimes.
I think the oath is funnier than the crime.
You ride like a feather in a storm. Hold tight, Wing. You're all right, little rider. Easy now.
I'm the captain of this ride.
Captain, you barely steer your own wings.
And it's big. Whoa! Hold on, Huggy. Stop, please, let me take my cracker.
Not while I'm on guard duty.
Whoa! Oh no! Ah! It tipped it over.
Settle down, you tin troublemaker.
Paper rain.
My reports.
Now, art. Realistic office art.